When I look back at all I have been through, the valleys low and the nights I cried, I see your hand was holding me, even when I thought you left my side. You turned my morning into dancing. How can I tell my story to the world? How would I put it for them to understand? I will only sing the goodness of the Lord with my mouth. That is how I'm gonna tell it to the world. You turned my morning into dancing. You gave me beauty for my ashes.
Let me show you. That's why I say, come and learn. Come, let's show you this. You see this? If you are selling in the store, this is 200 naira. Some people sell it 150. Imagine sitting down, giving yourself 2-3 hours every day or in the night, and you make this 150 times 10,000 pieces of it. You make money. See? So even if you are a government worker or you have other things you are doing and you are looking for another business that can give you money, come, let's show you. And we don't have time to come and learn it physically, we can show you online. All you need to do is, yes, I'm ready to learn. Then we are going to...
What is the duration?
So you see, we are in Bio, Akwa Ibom State.
Duration of learning.
And if you want to learn, it depends on you. You can master how to produce this in 2 days.